Ay! I got spiders on my forehead.
Hey guys, good evening. Today is Friday the 28th. I'll give you a quick update of today. They took off the cover of this and they're starting to dig more here. And that was a challenge. There's lots of big rocks down there. But it looks like they're almost done there. And they're starting to put the cement in. Hey guys, today is Saturday the 29th. We had the live stream here earlier this morning. It's around like 5:20 and I'll give you a quick update. They took the boards off there, so that's all dry. They started putting the bricks down here, or the hollow blocks, and they continue going on that way. Then they put the wood and the boards there to start building up the beams there and there. And that one looks freshly done there. Over here at the front of the house, they started to mark out the terrace where it's going to be. And here's the pieces of wood. So here's the land marker right here. And it looks like this is where the terrace will end. And it'll go right across there. So this would be like the front grassy area, and that would be the terrace. So they're hard at work here, and it's starting to take shape even more. They got the walls up. And where Uncle Pedro is, he's in the CR.
Small window.
Small window?
One.
Alright, so that's the CR back there. And this is going to be like the washing area, and the kitchen, and the table over here, and then living room over there. And there's the 1, 2, 3 rooms.
And outside terrace.
Yeah, and then back there, yeah. This first, and out there in the front will be the terrace. Then he'll be another door.
Refrigerator.
Where's the refrigerator? Right there, all right. And then back here, they're gonna have something too. It's gonna be like a little walking area. They're gonna have something coming out to like here, and you can walk around the house and sit and relax, look at the view. Maybe eventually some kind of Airbnb, we're not sure yet. That's still, you know, in the plan for future. But, you know, the house comes first. But it's coming along really nicely. And there's Janice. He played the guitar last time. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Can I come in?
Can I come in, who?
Oh, Richie, it stinks in here. What are you doing? What are you doing in here?
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
I'm doing business here.
Shut the door next time. All right, so this is exciting. It's starting to take shape. The walls there. Then we have 1, 2, 3 rooms. And that would be another room there. This is like the kitchen area. So this would be like the sala area, or like the living room. Probably like a TV somewhere. Living room. And Uncle Pedro said there's going to be the refrigerator here. In the kitchen.
Dustin, no aircon for you?
No aircon. I don't need aircon.
No aircon.
No, I've never had it in my life. I don't need it.
Electric fan is
Electric.
Yeah, electric fan is weird. Electric can.
One electric.
Just get electric can. That's all you need is electric can.
Try electric can. Is there electric can?
Dustin, electric fan big, around.
Bigger than the house?
All right, we'll get one right up here.
Go fly. Like balloon.
Helicopter. You better have a secure roof.
Finish flooring.
Nice. So right there is where the floor is going to be. Straight across. Three. So it's either about to rain, raining, or it just rained. So right now it's raining, but there is blue skies over there. It's just that cloud right above us.
Libor, Richie, Libor.
Labor?
Libor. Labor ko na. Ay, trabaho na ko sa construction.
Oh, very nice.
Nice.
I did it.
Is that? One shot. Snack. Ha?
Ah, very good.
Snack. Snack.
Chocolate pills.
Relax. Snack.
It's so strange when it's raining, when it's really, really hot and sunny like this. Look at that water pressure. Nice. You can have your own shower out here.
Ay, Papito, try in the CR.
A motorbike, a car.
Nice.
Car this big.
Fortuner.
Car this big.
So Uncle Pedro's going through some of the places where everything's gonna be located. So right here is gonna be like the Sari store / maybe bakery. So Pedro can sell some of the stuff he makes from the bakery as well. So that's gonna be right here is the Sari store. Then on this side is gonna be like the terrace where we can sit and hang out in the nice cool breeze. Then over here is gonna be like the parking area where we park the motorbikes. And then even in front, we're gonna have a little bit of room because that's gonna be the end of the terrace right there. And our property goes to right here somewhere. So they're gonna have this much room to kind of play with. Maybe some planting some flowers, things like that. We don't know exactly, but that's kind of just the idea. So a little Sari store there. Then the terrace, parking area. Very, very exciting. You excited?
Yeah.
So which room is yours?
Which one do you think? Majority.
Yeah, you guys vote. Where do you want Richie's room to
In the
be?
middle, or because this side is mom and father's.
They want that one for sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's either the middle or the one next to the CR.
I like also near the kitchen so I can
Sneak out and get
out
food,
and then get
extra
food.
snacks.
Like that.
Richie's imagining all the things that she's gonna do when she moves in. She's thinking like she can watch TV here, then if she gets bored of there, she can go in her room and have late night snacks out of the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Maybe go eat it out on the terrace.
And watching the plants.
Yeah.
Or at night go at the back and stargazing.
Yeah, this would be a good spot because it's open. That's awesome. This is a good spot. That's exciting. Hey, Richie and I are at Jollibee. We're about to pick up some chicken for the workers. And we met some subscribers here.
Yeah, hello.
Hey, what's up, guys? So what's your guys' names?
I am Dario Lareto.
All right.
Yeah, I am.
Roy Canelio.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
Hi.
I appreciate you guys subscribing, man. That really means a lot. Thanks, guys. Thanks.
Thank you
All
very
right,
much.
no problem. You guys take care. So today's Friday. Hey, this is the last update until I will post this. So today is Friday. Are you guys hungry? I got you guys some Jollibee.
Bonus!
Hey, for you guys.
Bonus! Jollibee! Thank you!
So right here, I'm standing up. Right here is gonna be where the floor is, and it's gonna come out. And this is where the Sari store will be.
Bye.
Naidos ko rin tare ay.
Ha?
Naidos ko rin tare.
Para. Kulik ko na. Andy! Sa, magnito sa tulan.
So this is Janice. He's also the guitar player that plays it upside down. He's left-handed and he plays a right-handed guitar upside down.
Wala ko tubo raw.
Yeah, for you guys, for you guys.
Thank you.
No problem. The workers are just finishing for the day, and they're gonna go in the payag since it's starting to rain and eat the chicken. And we're gonna take off. See you guys later.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you.
See you guys later. Good work today, guys. And see you tomorrow.
Oh.
All right. Richie and I have a few more deliveries to do, some donations to give out. Hopefully it stops raining. We got a little blue skies there, but some of those clouds are kind of dark. All right, so we're down at the house. The house is right over there, the new property. And look who's here, Jinsey and Mitchie. They're all the way down here by the property. It's raining. We'll see how much they have left. So today they're selling some ice candy and some puto. All right, so since it's raining, you guys here, I'll buy all of these from you guys, and here's some extra. And go give, on your way home, just give these out to people for free, okay? You can start, you can go to the workers, okay? There's some workers over there, and you can just give to them for free. Okay, Richie can have one too. What flavor? Vanilla? All right. So you guys can start by the workers, and just on your way home, you can just give them out for free, okay?
Bye.
All right, bye.
Thank you.
See you guys later. They're gonna deliver some of the treats to the workers there, and then they get to go home because they sold everything. So Richie and I are gonna try to make a few more deliveries. Hopefully it stops raining soon, but it doesn't look like it's gonna. It's pretty cloudy up there.
Give me some time.
Take your time, it's raining now.
There, Dai, kang guys candy, Dai? Filipina!
There's some kids hiding over there.
People, Filipina, you want ice cream?
Hey Filipina, you want some ice candy?
Oh, just
Oh, exactly. All right.
Pila. Dua. Dua lang, dua. Isa lang ka. Okay. Mahal. Jinsi, ganito Jinsi. Lamat.
Jinsey's wearing the purse and the shoes, and Mitchie has the shoes on as well. And that's from you guys, so thank you guys very much. What time did you guys start working today?
3.
3? And it's around like 4:30 right now, I think, around that time.
They know you're here, so they came here.
They knew I was here, so that's why they came here. How many did they sell before they came here? None? So,
You bought all.
okay, so they were selling this since 3 o'clock, and it's around 4:30 now, and they didn't sell any. So then they heard that I was here, so they came here and tried to sell them to me. And I ended up buying them all, and then they're gonna give them the rest of them to free as they walk home. All right, guys, we're just gonna hang out here until the rain stops. Hopefully it stops soon. Richie and I have a few more donations to give out. And then it's around 5 o'clock right now or so. So we'll just wait here until it stops raining. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Nakabok, guys. Okay. Ba't lang?
No problem.
Yeah, Dustin. Thank you.
No problem. All empty. All gone. Now you guys can go home and enjoy the rest of your day, all right? Your work day's over.
Go home earlier.